As a citizen here in Bulawayo, do you think you're getting value for your money?
I would want to answer that question by asking a few questions to you. Are services like refuse collection delivered on time? No. Do residents have easy access to basic council services like water, health, as and when needed? No. Does the local authority respond on time to customer complaints and service delivery complaints or challenges like burst sewer pipes, burst water pipes? No. Has the local authority addressed most of the needs of the residents? No. Is the money that the ratepayers are paying enough to fix our challenges? No. Has the local authority done something to try and generate more revenues outside of the rates? No. What is the state of our roads? Are our roads in a conducive state? No. So are the residents getting really value for their money? My answer would be, I don't think so.